Creating beautiful cakes isn't just for all-star bakers. With a few essentials from Sunny Side Up Bakery, decorating cakes is easier than you think. So, let's get baking. Once your cake is assembled, add a layer of icing to create the base for your decorations. Pipe colored buttercream and spread it with a spatula to make abstract designs. This cake doesn't have to look perfect. That's the point. Drip cakes are super trendy, and you can use candy molds to make eye-catching toppers. Veinner molds make it easy to create three-dimensional fondant shapes, like these textured leaves and flowers. Now it's your turn to bake something beautiful. Find decorating tools from Sunny Side Up Bakery exclusively at Hobby Lobby, in-store or online today. For more inspiration, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.